Okay, good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel, and we are doing brick break of Avengers Forever. Okay, so we got this from Amazon, and you can see on the screen the individuals involved in this case break. We ordered this 4 days ago, and it arrived earlier this afternoon. And when I opened it, it did not have the legacy pack taped on top. Okay, so that makes it suspicious whether this particular brick is tampered or not. Okay, so that's why we're doing extra measures to record this brick break so that we can have evidence of tampering. Crossing our fingers that the collation is as expected. So let's go. Okay. Sige. So we see here on the right side, ito yung mga participants sa ating case brick break. Thank you for participating. Yours truly, Marcus, Larry, JV, Heinz, Kennard, Poch, Joey, Kennard. Okay, Kennard is the same guy. 3 slots for Kennard.
I got 3 boosters.
Yeah, 3 boosters, and then the rest are 1 booster each. Okay, so this is how we will divide the break. Okay, so it will be randomly, of course, and the slots here are indicated bottom part. So brick 1, back, that left side is number 1. Ito yan. This one. This one. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the front of the brick from the left is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'll be your host. Okay, I think I have everyone's trust naman. So,
you have our full confidence, man.
Of course. Okay, so we're
by the
going to randomize it by going to our trusty random name. So we're gonna roll a dice to see how many times we will randomize the list. We're gonna roll 1 virtual dice, rolling it now. 2. Okay. Then we're going to list randomizer to, I'll copy the names of those who participated. Here's the list. Okay, then we're going to randomize it twice based on the dice roll. First one. Okay, then second one, again. Yeah. So you have randomized this list 2 times, and this is the list now. I'm going to copy paste it here. And that is our order of positioning. Okay, sharing with you guys again. So slot number 1 is Kennard, number 2 is Jasper, Marcus, Heinz, Larry, Kennard, JB, Poch, Joey. Okay, so we are expecting 3 super rares at least, Chase or Prime. Okay, as that's the typical collation. If it's not like that, then definitely there is tampering. Suicide death. KL mentioned we are the witches, so don't kill us. Okay. So let me share my screen. Remove spotlight. What do you see? Do you see both the hand and the
I see Christmas lights.
Yeah. Do you see me in yellow?
No. Well, on your background, yeah. I can see your background.
Okay. Do you see two screens?
Yeah, I can see 2 screens.
Okay. How about now? Just one?
Yep, this is one.
Okay.
Just only the Christmas lights.
Only the Christmas light. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to open it. I can probably pin myself. Is it better this way, or if I add myself, it's okay? This one?
Better add yourself, dude.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna open now the brick. And again, flat number 1 is Sino nga ulit? Sino nga ulit?
It's me, Kennard.
Kennard. Okay, so Kennard from the left.
Mhm.
Okay, let's
Up.
go. Sino bang gusto natin makuha chase?
I vote
Yes,
Kennard.
Arachnite.
Arachnite? Siyempre,
Arachnite.
siyempre naman. Okay, this is booster number 1, Kennard. Okay.
So
Okay.
natin ng name.
Let's see kung meron tampering. Take a look at the tape at the
Take
bottom.
it sa ilalim. Yeah.
Oo, take a look at the tape at the bottom.
Parang
Ano, no?
okay. You just write mo yung names ng mga tao para lang easier to read.
Okay, so this is Kennard. Kennard.
Just Ken is okay.
Ken. Okay. Okay, so we're probably gonna open it from the bottom. Ay, nako. Kinakabahan talaga ako for this. Okay, let's see.
Lahat tayo.
Guys, tingnan nyo guys. Take a look If I open it, there should be glue, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay, see?
Oh, man.
See, there's
They
no...
didn't even clean it. They didn't even clean it properly.
Did not clean it properly. Oh, see?
Oh boy, now that's bad.
Yeah, sige. Ano mo na lang, just record it tapos ask for it.
Yeah, so we'll try to see how we can do something about it. Again, apologies for everyone. We'll try our best. Okay, so
I see something
Kennard,
white.
this
Oh
is
look, Kamala Khan.
Miss Marvel.
Marvel, Vision,
Vision.
Doctor
Strange.
Strange,
Wong.
and Winter Soldier.
Okay.
Is there team up here? Meron na.
The team up comes with a legacy card.
Yeah,
with the
it
legacy
comes with
card.
that.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so when you lose the legacy, you also lose the team up card.
Ay,
Sad.
nako. Okay, second booster is for... Is it for me?
Yes, I think it's you.
Jasper. Okay, Jasper. Okay, so I'm gonna mark it. Nice. This is so
It's kind of sad, man.
disheartening. Okay, again at the back.
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
Yeah, see?
At least we'll just we'll mark na lang kung ano yung
Okay.
so we won't get na lang. Pero make sure lang that you leave feedback.
Yeah,
They cut it, man.
they cut it na eh. Okay, let's see. Talagang kaasar. Okay, this is Norvar. Norvar ba to? Hawkeye.
Yeah.
Wong. Winter Soldier. And Captain America. The rare is Norvar. Okay. That's for me. Booster number 3 is for Marcus. I'm gonna take pictures and then post it anyway on the group. Okay, so bottom. Let's see. Wala talaga.
No resistance.
No resistance whatsoever. Okay, let's see who we have. Kazar. Okay, that's good.
Not bad.
Not bad. Iron Lad, Vision, Black Panther, and Hawkeye. Okay. That's for Marcos. Booster number
Assuming all rares tayo, Blue Marvel I think is another one at least.
Hello,
Yeah, for the
Larry.
Miss Marvel, Kazar, and
This is
Blue Marvel.
for Heinz, booster number 4. Let's see. Again, no resistance from the bottom part.
And already damaged. Already
opened.
No, to be more precise.
Okay. Heinz, Black Panther, Speedster?
No more?
Speedster.
Speed. Gorilla
Yeah.
Maria Hill, and the rare Mockingbird. Okay. So this break is mocking us.
Not even a mindless one, dude.
Not even a mindless one.
Baka pati yun kinuha no?
Baka pati
They
yung
took the generics.
Pati yung mga Hydra kinuha.
Walang niya. Pati yung mga Hydra, pinalitan.
No,
Okay.
no mercy.
This is Larry. Larry, are you here? You're here, Larry. Say hi.
Get ready to cry.
As in, hi. Hi.
Hi, champ.
Hi.
Mukhang tampered, Larry, yung natin. Okay, this is booster number 5 in a tampered break. No resistance again.
Actually, it's good. At least you're a creator ka. Tapos
Oh,
when you
that's
post
Blue
the video
Marvel.
online, at least
Blue
hopefully
Marvel.
Wizkids
Yeah.
finds out.
Blue
Blue
Marvel,
Marvel.
Reptile, Wonder Man, Captain America,
No, that's Patriot.
Iron. Yeah.
Patriot,
Patriot.
and
At least they gave
Astral
us
Vision.
Astral.
Ay, Astral Doctor Strange.
agad to pala si Astral Doctor Strange.
Yeah, maganda yan.
Ito yung base niya, transparent.
Yep.
Yeah.
Transparent.
Yes, everything is transparent sa kanya.
That's nice. So still no mindless one and Hydra agents.
At least
Okay.
we have a
Number
Blue Marvel.
6. Number 6 and 7 is Kennard. Okay, so no super rare yet.
You're not Chase and Prime.
No Chase and Prime. Let's see. No resistance again for this
Yep.
booster. Okay, let's see who we got. We have Mantis,
Astral
Broken
Strange.
Baron
Broken.
Strange. We have a
No,
super
no,
rare.
that's
SR.
No. This is a super rare.
Yeah.
Baron Mordos. Is that
Baron
super
Mordo.
rare?
Yep. Super rare. Baron Mordo.
No. Mantis.
Baron Mordo.
Is Mantis a super rare? No.
No.
No,
no.
I think Baron Mordo is just a rare.
Rare lang.
Wala.
Akala ko super rare. Ano pala siya? Yung Guardians team ability.
What else?
Okay. We
Yeah,
have
you got Mantis. That's good.
Vision,
Vision and Captain America.
and Patriot.
Yep.
Captain America.
Captain
Yeah,
America.
Mantis is
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Ordo is rare. The Astral is flying on its own.
Kind of broken, man.
Yep.
Broken pa
Likewise.
Hindi man lang ginlo na yun eh. That's for Kennard. Then booster number 7 is also Kennard's. Let's see. Again, no resistance on the bottom part. I think even sa top part, halata. It's so obvious, the top part as well. Tops. Okay. Kennard. Who's this? Red
Red Skull.
Red
Skull.
Skull.
Drax.
Drax. Wonder Man.
Wonder Man.
Hawkeye.
and
Wong.
Wong. Okay.
Not even a Hydra officer or a Hydra agent.
Yeah, pati yung generics. No, si talaga.
There is something wrong with this.
Nice
I think
one.
it's all Wong.
It's
I
wrong.
think you can di ba, since you have contact naman with Wizkids, you can siguro message them. Maybe they can do something.
I will
They can help us out.
I will do everything in I will try to do everything. This is
Yeah.
booster number 8, JV. Again, bottom part. No resistance whatsoever. You can see.
And Drip Pathogen.
Okay. Claw. Ito. Red
Crimson Dynamo.
Dynamo, Bucky, Wonder Man,
And Wong.
Told you it's all Wongs.
I think yung
It's
Wong
all
yung
Wong.
ano nila. Puro Wong dun sa SRs.
Pinapalit nila si Wong. Ano ba?
How many Wongs are there?
No Wongs make a right.
That would be so funny if there would be 10 Wong inside the
Booster
brick.
number 9 is Poch. Don't tell me wala
It
tayong
feels so Wong.
wala tayong
Exactly.
makukuhang Hydra agent man lang.
Or mindless one.
Number 9, booster number
But
9.
at least we all got Wongs.
Yep.
All got Wongs. Okay, alam niyo na yung format. Ang format ng tournament, lahat gagamit ng Wong. No resistance again from the bottom part.
Mantis,
Mantis,
Gorilla Man,
Wheelaman,
Red Guardian,
Guardian, Drax,
Drax,
and
and Star-Lord.
Star-Lord. Is the rare?
Rare.
Yeah, rare.
Uy,
Star-Lord.
okay. Not bad. I mean, I'm looking for that.
Okay, sorry.
Ano na lang.
Pakonsuelo na lang, no?
Pero epic ano to this might be at least content mo yan na it does happen
Well, if we're
the seller so
Mhm.
if Wizkids finds out
well, if we all want to cry, we know what video to look at.
Yep.
This is
A
the
living proof.
video of the year.
Yes.
Last
Top view.
booster is 10. Joey.
Mhm.
Okay, so we can immediately see how terrible the repacking was.
Yep.
If there's a mindless one, that's the chase.
Huwag mo sabihin ano to, 5 wong to. Just to piss us off.
magawa tayong tournament puro wong
Okay.
at least
Hawkeye.
Wonder Man,
Wonderman.
Speed,
Red
Red Skull,
Skull,
and Iron Lad.
Lad.
Dude, they even gave us a dupe rare.
Mhm.
Ah, they didn't
That's
even
sad brick.
They
spare
didn't even give us different rares.
Exactly.
They gave us a dupe rare as well.
They gave us 2 red skulls in a brick.
Okay,
Now
so
that brick.
just to recap, it seems like with confirmation that the brick is definitely resealed.
Tampered.
Okay, tampered and resealed because we got all rares, rare as the highest rarity, and at the same time, we did not get the legacy pack that contains the team up and the legacy card. And we even got a duplicate rare, no generic, meaning no mindless one,
No,
mindful
no
one,
Hydra.
no
Hydra
Hydra
officer,
agent, no
or
Hydra
Hydra agent.
officer, no shield agent.
No chase and no prime also.
There's no shield officer as well. So all the generic figures have also been looted.
Mhm.
So
Got
again,
a lot of wonks though.
but we have a
Yep.
lot of bongs. Okay. So this is a sad unboxing, but we're making the best out of it. So again, I
That's the wong
apologize
brick.
to you guys. I will, as I said,
Yeah, it's okay.
do
It's
my
okay.
best to report this seller. I'll probably put a picture of the seller in the video and in the description, and then we'll send it to Wizkids so that they can do some actions if they want to. Okay, we pray that they do something about this because again, we're from the Philippines and it takes a while for us to get Heroclix, and we're excited every time we unbox, and this is a bit again uncalled for and disappointing. So Carlo mentioned, pwede title vlog mo just for something wrong with our brick. Okay. Good night.
Pwede rin a
Sorry, you
wong
got
brick.
it from a douchebag. Okay, yeah. So it's not us, it's the seller. So yeah. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. I will send a picture of your pools and let's hope for a better unboxing next time. I'm
Yep.
gonna stop the recording now.